What's up guys, this is Igor in Russia and I'm in Kolpino city, a city which is part of St. Petersburg as an independent city. In this video we're gonna explore the Russian life here in Kolpino. I'm gonna be filming like I usually do, just the real life without too much editing, just a glimpse into the Russian world as it is now. So welcome along, hope you guys enjoy, and of course subscribe to the channel, because you know you're gonna get nowhere else this kind of material, in good and bad. Let's go. First things we see is a monument to Lenin. Somebody is actually rowing over there. It says, "We are always the first." Not many people. А это ваша какая-то, да?
Ну, Телман, а мы от них торгуем. Вот.
Давайте, вот все.
Да, так а что тогда столько лагеря, столько это у меня. Сколько, вам много?
Не, я в дорогу сейчас.
0,5?
0,5. Потом на обратном пути, может быть.
И 2 литра берете, но 5 в подарок.
Но не унесу эту.
Хорошо. Пока 70 рублей. Карта, наличка?
Карт. Какая жара?
Да. Наслаждайтесь последние денежки.
Да. А что тут самое крутое заснять в Колпино?
Самое крутое?
Ну, такое, чем вы местные? Вы местные? Ну, что, чем гордитесь? Ничего сказали бы, посмотри. Я посмотрел, зашел, вот там этот водопад. Потом был этот памятник.
Водопад это где?
А около станции, на другой стороне. Ну, не водопад, наверное, как он называется? Водичка течет.
Это где?
Изhora.
На кладбище?
Да, да.
Ну да, наверное, это самое крутое место.
Да? А так, смотрю, тут... А где тут этот памятник этим героям из мультфильма?
Это вам надо ехать
пешком.
к ленте. Пешком? Так, к ленте, как же сообразить? Ну да, вы идете вот так вот, прямо. Вот здесь вот. Прямо идете, и там все наши герои, все памятники. Это тоже далеко.
Далеко?
В другую сторону.
Ну ладно.
Все мосты проходить.
Все, спасибо.
Да, пожалуйста.
На обратном пути можете еще.
И расскажете, что нафотали.
Да, спасибо. Alright, nice people. Nice people, we have beer. You're not supposed to drink in Russia, by the way, but this is like not branded, so it could be kvass. They say it's kvass. So we're back in the Tverskaya улица. And I guess we're gonna enjoy the beer and film a little bit more, not just a little bit. We're gonna extensively film the life here in Kolpino. I think it's really hard to pronounce. It's not Kolpino, it's Kolpino. And all right, we see already some bizarre buildings, not in great shape, but I actually enjoy that. It looks cool. Check it out. So we're gonna check out in this video a little bit city life, see how people live, what people shop, where people shop. We're gonna film a little bit courtyard, some sights, and then see if we're gonna meet some interesting people. And yeah, this beer, half a liter fresh beer, Zhigulevskaya, I love it, from Voronezh, cost me €1. It says Petersburgские аптеки, St. Petersburgian drugstores, Российские производители у нас в приоритете. Russian producers of drugs, I mean, well, legal drugs, are in our priority. So this is what's been going on a little bit when sanctions hit, boycotts. So patriotism in this kind of form also is visible. And check this out. What a beautiful courtyard in a house next to more modern Soviet building behind it. But we're gonna enjoy this ones. These are from early 1900s, I think. Let's go over here and see what's the life here is all about. Inside we have a really nice children's playground. A cat. A cat playing around. Still continue on in Russian Kolpino's courtyards. I love this place.
Это такая повезло, конечно. Что? Такая забавная.
Man, I gotta say, this is idyllic. It reminds me of my childhood. Reminds me of the place where my grandmother lived. And there's a cat. I love cats with Olya. We love to. Эй, кс-кс. Кс-кс-кс. Не будешь? Doesn't want to play. All right, take care. You. Man, I just feel so good just walking around here. Whoa. Hey. I'm not local, he knows. There's a lot of constructions here actually. People just chilling. It's Saturday night, so you know, people enjoying their day. It's very idyllic, seriously. So the life outside St. Petersburg is very different. It's more relaxed. It's not, but oh wow, more cats. And people live in smaller houses, and it's quite peaceful, even more idyllic, since there's so many people in St. Petersburg. You don't have your own space, except, well, you do if you know where to go outside the main streets, but here it's very idyllic, really awesome. We're gonna continue on, and I enjoyed every minute of it so far. Oh my God. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna bring some food to you. Continue on. Kolpino's courtyards. I like the details. Check it out. What's that? Oh my god, I'm lost for words. Balcony. Sorry guys. What can I do? And this really reminds me of my childhood. What's great about Russian people, if you see different generations, even the younger, older people tend to show their feelings. People are very emotional. Wow, there's lots of cats here. And people tend to show their feelings, touch each other in public places in a normal way, I mean. And for example, you don't see that much where I mostly live, in Finland, for example. And I actually enjoy that when people just show their laughter, their sadness. You can see girls cry. The emotional people Russian people are very emotional. And while checking out this courtyard, this caught my eye. It says, "We are always the first." And cool detail.